Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to unmute on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So I'm going to starting instant meeting here. So right now I'm in a meeting, and if you want to unmute or mute yourself, then you'll need to click on this mute button. So right now I'm mute, and to unmute I'm going to click on unmute. So this was how you can unmute yourself, and if you're trying to unmute a participant, then you will need to click on this participant option, and here you will get all participants. And now hover over about the participant whom you want to unmute, and here you will find this mute and unmute option. So this is how we can unmute in Zoom. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to unmute. Thank you for watching.